First of all, that was a defeatist argument. I mean, I don't think any leader should be able to make such an argument. If you say you are a parent and that you denied one of your children fees because he doesn't pay much allegiance to you, that would be sad. I think it is an argument which, if when you fail to explain why there is nothing, you run for a shortcut, and that's what you can tell people. But I don't think that it is in the mind of the leader to sit down and say such and such a place should not have development because they didn't vote for me. But I think when you show up in a place and people begin to question why the development in that place is so pathetic, the easiest excuse you could give is basically to say that these people didn't vote well. Otherwise, I don't think that it is necessarily true.